So how do you generate a remarketing tag for your website? You have to go to the campaign page and be on all campaigns. And then you will see on the left-hand side here in the left-hand bottom menu, you will see shared library. Click on there. Now, if you haven't created a remarketing tag before, this is what will show up. So you've got audiences, and this is really the area you want to concentrate on. So if we go into view audiences, this is where you create your remarketing tag. Now you can create a remarketing list dependent on what it is you want to track. Do you want to track website visitors? Do you want to track mobile app users, YouTube users, customer emails, people who have given you customer emails? These are the people that Google will allow you to reconnect with. Now we are going to go to website visitors because this is going to be the most common one. So let's go to set up remarketing. Now it says here, use dynamic ads. People will get different ads based on the products or services they viewed on the site. Now at the moment, we don't want to concentrate on that, but yes, dynamic ads will be very, very beneficial to you moving forward, because what will happen is that they will get an ad specific to what they have seen before. Something that will be able to catch them at the right buying stage. So like I've said before, if they were at the checkout before, then this will be an ad that will get them at the right stage of where they were at with you in order to get that conversion. So we're going to ignore this for now because we just want to set up the remarketing tag. So we come to this page here and it will give you the instructions how to tag your site. You'll need to add a remarketing tag to your website. Now, what you can do here, and this gives you some good instructions of sending your tag instructions if you have a person who manages your website, an account manager or whatever. If you've got a specific web person that does it, then what you can do is you can send that email to them with the tag instructions to them via email. All right, but we are going to untick this and we are going to view the AdWords tag for websites. Okay, so let's just zoom in on this. So this snippet is our Google remarketing tag. All right, so we want to basically outline the whole thing, which if you click into it, will highlight the whole lot. You copy it. Now you've got your remarketing tag. Now, where do you insert it? You want to insert it on your website in a place that's going to be able to track all the pages that are seen. So I'm going to show you the instructions as to how you would add this to a WordPress site. And a lot of you probably have WordPress sites. This is one of the easiest ways to add it. So if we go into my specific site here, let's just show you in dashboard format because you may have a completely different theme to me. So what we're going to do is we are going to go to appearance and we're going to go to widgets. And you've got on here on the right hand side, you'll have the different functions that show on your website. All right, so footer is one of them. And if we click into footer, there's nothing on mine except for some text that says Superman copyright 2017. So what we want to do is we want to get a text widget and we want to drag it up into the footer column. And then what we want to do where it says content is literally paste that code in and save it. And now your remarketing tag is on your website. All right, so if we go back in to this area and we will click continue and then return to audiences. Now it says here we haven't detected the AdWords tag on your website or app. All right, and it was last checked at 12:22 p.m. Now it's currently 12:40 p.m. and I've just inserted it. So that's why it's not showing at the moment. Now, if you want to access your remarketing tag again, all you do is you just go into tag details, view AdWords tag for websites, and then you re-click it. Okay? Now, eventually it will update and it will show that the AdWords tag is on my website. So what I will say to you is that the first thing they do, your default audience is all visitors. Okay? Now, what you're going to need to create is lists based on pages.